While designing on Dijibiz, you can easily add new pages to an existing design at any time. We open the Pages section below, and if you click the plus sign, you will add a new and blank page. By clicking the selection icon here, we can choose the pages we want to duplicate or delete. For example, let's delete this page. When you click the selection icon again, the selection feature will disappear. For example, if we select a page using the selection tool and want to create a copy of that page, we need to click here to create the copy. As you can see, we have created another copy of the same page. In this way, you can add a blank or duplicate page. Now let's delete one of them. Currently, there is a 2-page design, and you can add a new ready-made design to the back of this design. For example, let's select this design. When we click, a new section opens like this. If you click the Transfer All Pages button, it will remove the existing design and replace it with this design. From here, you can click on and select any page or both pages. If I select a page and choose the Transfer Selected Pages button, it will delete the existing design and only open the selected page. If I select the Add Selected Pages button, it will add the selected new designs to the back of the current design. If you want, you can continue adding to the current designs by appending pages from another design in the same way. As you can see, new designs have been added as the 4th and 5th pages. In this way, we have merged multiple designs together,